In this video, we're going to talk about the truck labor time section of diesel repair. So to get started, you would just click on truck labor times on the left-hand side, and now you're presented with the menu option. To get started, you either manually select all these fields, the vehicle make, model, year, engine make, and engine model, or you can pop in your VIN number, hit the button, and we will pre-populate all the fields for you. So either way, it can be done. But when we get to the last slide here, you would select a major component. You want to talk about what labor time you want to get work on. So let's click engine. Let's click view labor times. And from here now, we're going to make you drill down. So we selected engine on that previous menu. Now let's say we want to do something with electrical system. I select components. I'm interested in the Delta P sensor. And as you can see, because there are no variables or quantities, it just auto-populated all the rest of the available options. So it auto-populates, and then it does show you a low, an average, and a high labor time. We really recommend everyone uses the average labor time. The reason we have 3 is because not all trucks are created equal. As you can imagine, a truck that you work down in Miami, Florida, you probably have less prep work and less difficulty bringing it into the shop in February versus the guy in northern Minnesota that's dealing with snow and 2,000 pounds of ice on the vehicle and needs to thaw some things. So we try to give you some different options in here based on the circumstance and situation. But for the most part, you're going to want to use the average. If there were any add-ons available for this particular repair time, you click the add-on button, which would then I'll show you additional add-ons. So it's really that simple. It's really that easy. Users of diesel repair, we operate on a freemium model. So customers for free can come in here and look up several labor times per month. Paid users on the professional plan get unlimited. So that's the diesel repair truck labor times module. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to seeing you on the platform.